equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are tackling the Asus UX371E with a damaged EC. First, gather your tools, a screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, and cleaning supplies. Start by removing the back cover. Be careful with the screws. Keep them organized. Once open, visually inspect the motherboard for any signs of damage or burnt components. Next, clean the internal parts using compressed air. Dust can cause overheating and other issues. After cleaning, check the EC chip. If it's damaged, it may need replacement. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. It's convenient, no calls, no travel. Once you've assessed the damage, you can decide whether to proceed with repairs. Always get a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Reassemble the laptop carefully, ensuring all screws are tightened. Test the device to see if the issue is resolved. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Your Asus UX371E deserves the best care. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.